La prova della pasta è stata divertentissima.
Avevano un po' di ingredienti giusti e sbagliati.
Ognuno ha interpretato il concetto di pasta.
I ragazzi ci hanno messo del loro.
Let's see how good you are in cooking pasta.
So I've cooked pasta before, but I've never actually made the sauce.
So you need to choose what to take for pasta.
I'll start with tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
2 tomatoes. Onions.
Onions, good.
Garlic.
Okay.
And get some salt.
Okay.
How about some ginger and pasta?
Okay, pasta of course.
Yeah.
Let's go to cook some pasta.
So I'm from Singapore, where it's a food city. Everything I've done, it's always been a bit more Asian. This was something else. You need to boil the spaghetti to the stove. A little bit of salt. I think the Italians like salty stuff. My favorite ingredient, the ginger. I'm gonna put the ginger in, like how we normally do. Leave it to boil. Chop up the onions and the garlic. The bigger the better. I just remembered I need to put oil before I burn something. It smells good. So I'm cutting up the tomatoes. They should be ready to go. 4 very nice chunky slices. All good. Oh. 1, 2, 5 seconds. Get the pasta in. Good amount of pasta. And we just set it there to boil. I had to make spaghetti for Italians. I'm from Asia. I did it my way.
Lio è stato simpatico, il brodetto della pasta fatto con lo zenzero non era mica malvagio.
Crazy. The first day they had me making pasta for all of them. Not what I expected, but
Today you will cook a pasta and now you have to choose the right ingredients to make your pasta.
I'm gonna do garlic first. Tomato, 3.
Yeah.
The number of loaves.
Barbecue sauce.
Whoa, it's not his mother, but
Ooh, that cheese.
whoa.
This cheese, that's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah, pasta.
But for sure.
And some basil.
If a little bit is good, more is better.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. Let's over here and see how this tastes.
but they eat it a lot over there, and so I guess we all got to be able to make it.
Sure it tastes okay. Yep, that's gonna work for us. Yeah. We're gonna get some other components for this sauce, like garlic. We don't need too much, a little bit goes a long way. And then the barbecue sauce, we need that. I'm gonna pour some of this in. Them's the goods. Yeah, I'm gonna toss it a little bit. 'Cause no one likes a sauce too chunky. You want it kind of smooth. We're just gonna take it easy. We're gonna make these tomatoes and just
I cook all the time. I'm pretty good at cooking.
Dave si è espresso con tutto il suo carattere.
I gave it like a little barbecue flair. Everyone likes barbecue sauce.
Ha messo la salsa barbecue. So che tipo ai Gozzo è piaciuta un sacco.
Ovvio che suona come una porcheria a casa, perché nessuno farebbe mai una cosa del genere. Però se ragioni con la testa che uno è americano, è una cosa diversa, insomma.
Però a me mi veniva da vomitare.
The pasta day, the guys asked us to create our best version of pasta.
You have to choose some ingredients.
Definitely some salt, olive oil, tomatoes, 4 or 5, garlic, onion, Parmesan cheese,
Wow.
basil,
All the 3.
of course the pasta.
Avanti con gli amici. Okay.
Definitely chose all the right ingredients. I mean, I know how to make pasta.
Fill it up with water. More than halfway. Add some salt. Put olive oil in the pan here. Cut our onion in a quarter. The guys will be impressed. Have our garlic and our onion simmer. Let it saute. It's a little trick my dad taught me.
Perform at my best, like peeling the tomatoes. I don't think anyone else peeled the tomatoes.
And there we go. Our tomatoes, nice and chopped. We are on our way to making the best pasta you've ever had in your life. Pinch of salt. Voila. Get our pasta going. Let it soak on in there.
I think I did a really good job on that one.
Sono stato stupito che Jen abbia pelato i pomodori, che è una cosa che qua non fa assolutamente nessuno.
Neanche in Italia non lo fanno tutti. Dimostra una sensibilità particolare.
I didn't expect to be thrown into a pasta competition for auditioning in a band. I
have some cooking attitude, so yeah.
You're gonna choose some ingredients?
Uh-huh. I definitely want some garlic.
Or French kisses.
Some onion, because gonna need some tomatoes, maybe all of them.
Very saucy pasta.
Definitely salt, some of that olive oil, and for my secret recipe, I'm gonna need this ketchup right here.
Whoa.
Okay, that makes even more.
This is a classic American sauce. Can I start?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe the
Maybe
pasta.
pasta you need.
Oh yeah, I might need a little bit of that.
That's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This competition was crazy. I don't even know what I got myself into.
Get this going. My stepdad taught me how to make pasta. A little salt, an entire clove of garlic into the pot. Olive oil for flavor. Now let it sit for about 4 hours. A little olive oil here. I like a lot of onions. It's that little something special. When you put an onion into a pan, how you know that pasta time is coming. You want to use a lot of tomatoes. You want to cut it into a bunch of really small pieces. You want it to taste like love. I'm gonna add a little salt here.
La pasta buona noi sappiamo come è fatta e sappiamo farla.
Oh, good. Un po' scotta forse.
Taste.
The sauce is perfect. Buona, dai.
I ragazzi sono stati tutti molto bravi secondo me.
Chi si è proprio distinta di più ovviamente è stata Jen.
I think I did really well.
Grande
Guys,
Leo.
are you ready? This is the final touch, the Asian
I
touch.
love ginger. Questa la mangio tutta io.
Good.
No, non c'è sale però.
Mamma mia.
Yes.
Buona questa.
È buona questa però, vero?
Poi è una pasta in bianco con...
Mi è piaciuto anche il fatto che lì abbia messo il ginger.
Yeah, I think I did pretty well. And I think they liked it.
I thought I did an amazing job. I'm not sure why they didn't like my pasta so much.
Nice.
Sei fuori. Io che gabbia la vai man prima al manco. I'm so afraid.
Me first?
Yes.
Always. The best.
It's the only cheese that matters.
I actually like barbecue sauce. If you think it's not pasta,
Un bel tocco del formaggio. No,
Esatto.
questo si mangia.
e mangia!
Like this?
Yeah.
No, è buona.
Sì, è alternativa.
We will never forget that pasta.
And you'll never forget me.
Quello di Dave secondo me aveva il suo perché, ecco.
Dave, where he just smashed everything with his hands. I don't know how they can like it.
I never expected to be in a pasta competition, and I messed up when I brought ketchup to the table.
Beautiful
Are you
pasta.
so excited? It's not completely done. You add a little ketchup to the top. Okay, so take a big bite.
Don't be scared. A big bite.
A big bite.
For you.
Oh, best way to, because you don't want anything to get in the way of the flavor.
The only thing was
Do you need
ketchup,
some-
maybe too tasty for us.
I thought they would find it like a quirky, fun American thing to do, but they were kind of grossed out, so that was a bummer, and I think I lost them on that one.
Ma Susie aveva fatto un sugo buono.
Her pasta tasted like ass. I'm pretty sure she put ketchup on it.
Yeah, not my thing.
Rovinar tutto praticamente con una mossa sola.
Susie ha avuto la brillante idea di mettere del ketchup sulla pasta, mentre Dave lo stesso della salsa barbecue.
If you don't like barbecue sauce, I don't think I want to be around you.
Mine was organic, definitely a bit spicy because of the ginger.
Maybe they weren't feeling well that day, and that's why they didn't want to eat my pasta. I don't know.
I never expected to be against some people like I know are great musicians. I don't know what their pasta game is like.
I can't talk about Jen because Jen did a great job.
Pasta's not that hard to mess up. Pasta day, I killed it. I'm confident.
Oh ragazzi, prova pasta, figo però, mi sono divertito
Finalmente
tantissimo.
cominciamo le prove. Susie ha fatto una pasta perfetta, è arrivata là le ketchup.
Anche Dave ha fatto così, ha messo la salsa barbecue,
Vabbè,
però...
Dave l'ha messa dall'inizio, ma mi
Però
veniva...
tu ragioni da americano, che era buona.
No, invece ecco una roba che mi ha fatto così un po' tenerezza. È stato lì, ho capito. No, perché ha fatto il brodo, ho capito, ha detto noi
E poi come grana sopra, ce l'ha grattugiato un po'.
Jen l'ha fatta giustissima la pasta.
Sì.
La prova pasta se l'ha giudicata Jen.
A me quella di Dave, ti dico soprattutto... No, effettivamente, per l'italiano...
Jen.
Sì, sicuramente. Ascolta, facciamo pace, dai, facciamo pace.
Facciamo pace, i bacetti, guarda i bacetti, viva.